2026 Honda Accord. First look. Stylish RS Aero Kit. The luxurious yet sporty front grille further exudes a sense of charisma while driving. Full LED headlights with sequential LED turning signals. The all-new Honda Accord's full LED headlights further exude a luxurious aura, complemented by sequential LED turning signals, enhancing its futuristic appearance. Power retractable door mirrors with LED turning signals. The sides of the all-new Honda Accord are equipped with power retractable door mirrors, allowing you to automatically fold the mirrors with a single touch. LED turning signals also alert other drivers when you're about to turn. (18" Sporty alloy wheel design. The 18-inch alloy wheel design is eye-catching, enhancing its elegant appearance. Full LED taillights with sequential LED turning signals. Full LED taillights enhance the luxurious appearance, complemented by futuristic sequential LED turning signals,